Explain theodolite and its components. The theodolites are electronic devices used for the measurement of vertical and horizontal angles for mapping applications and in the construction industry. There are two types of theodolites: transit theodolite and non-transit theodolite. The transit theodolite refers to a type of theodolite in which a telescope can flop over to allow easy back sighting and doubling of angles. The main components of theodolite are illuminated reticle, rechargeable holder, dust water resistor, auto cutoff, large backlit LCD, display modes, metal handle, magnification, compensator, dual side display, battery status indicator. Let's now discuss about the axis of a theodolite. It can measure angles in both vertical and horizontal planes. Both axes of a theodolite are equipped with graduated circles that can be read out through microscopes. Now let us summarize modulation and its types.